Okay, so this one's gonna be on using Windows 10 keyboard shortcuts, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you the most useful ones. There's quite a few to cover, but I'll go ahead and cover the ones that you're really gonna go ahead and use. Okay, so the most important one, more than likely, is you want to be able to open up the menu. So click on the Windows keyboard just once, and it should go ahead and open up. You can also do Windows plus X at the same time. And this will go ahead and open up, I guess, like the options. And from here, you can do plenty. You can turn it off. You can also open up the task manager, go to settings, open up the file explorer. You can also do search. You can also use the run command in here. You can check out network connections, disk management, quite a few things you can do in there. The next one would be the Windows key plus D. And what this will do is it'll go ahead and like show the desktop. Basically, if you have anything open, like let's say I open up VirtualBox, and if I want to go ahead and show the desktop, what I would do is just do the Windows plus D. It'll go ahead and show it. To be able to open up the Windows File Explorer, go ahead and use the Windows plus the E, and this will allow you to be able to basically open up the files and go through all the documents and whatnot. One that's extremely useful is the Control Shift plus Escape. And what this will allow is it'll go ahead and open up the task manager. And this is extremely useful when there's some issue going on with your computer. Maybe there's a virus or something like that. It's extremely useful to know this command. That way you can actually be able to open it in case you can't navigate through your menu or can't use the CMD or whatever. You can use this keyboard shortcut to be able to open it and be able to kill the process or whatever you need to do. The other one would be to be able to check out your system basically. So if you do Windows plus the pause break button, it'll go ahead and open it up, and this will basically display processor, RAM, system type, and so on, computer name in case you need that. Another thing that is very useful is the settings. So if you do the Windows plus U, it should go ahead and open up the display, but you can be able to access the settings through here as well. So if you go to display here, or you can, so if you click on home, you can actually just go back to the settings. If you want to go ahead and just go directly to the Windows settings, you can just do the Windows keyboard shortcut. You can do the Windows plus the I, and this will go ahead and open up the settings as far as where you can see all the settings. I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. I'll go ahead and make a couple more videos and do some more advanced keyboard shortcuts. So that's it for now. Bye.